It's ridiculous o'clock and it's cold in Mount Laguna. It's actually not that early. I think it's about to turn 6, so it's
Good time.
6 o'clock or coming up to. Loads of low-hanging clouds, so everything is soaking. But we're having a coffee and wrapping up and hopefully getting going soon. So just in case you thought we were kidding about how cold it is, we've had some coffee. I'm trying to move the gas canister and it's frozen to the table. Oh my god, yeah.
Them poultry things.
I think it is. Well, it's 10 to 7. I'm finally off. It is.
Ice. Hence the puffies.
Yeah, yes. We're hiking in the puffies. At least for the beginning. It was so cold this morning, honestly. I know, I keep going on about it, but man, it was cold.
And the grass is wet.
The grass is wet. And the camera's steaming up. That's how cold it is. Oops. There's the bridge. We'll be passing under in a minute or 10. Wow. This is Cottonwood Creek. You've got to take my word for it. At the moment it's Cottonwood Puddle. This is a dry year. There's still some water to navigate on the PCT. This little unnamed cow pond.
Yeah, when we come past last time, it was up to my knees.
Yeah, I remember taking our shoes off here and picking up some water because it was unclear whether boulder oaks would actually be turned on already, because it was early in the season, obviously. There we go. Get a lot of this along the trail. These perfect spider tunnels. So we're leaving Boulder Oaks a lot later than anticipated because we got caught up with a tiny bit of trail magic first of all, which was nice, and then the camp host Tammy gave a really useful information just about the water sources ahead and this camping exclusion zone around Mount Laguna that we know exists, but we're never entirely sure where it starts and finishes. So that was very useful. So it's now 12:15 and we're off again. And see how far we can get. Yeah. I mean, the hope is 11 miles. The reality, well, we'll see. Oh, also we have swapped some food back to Brian now. He seems to think he can handle it. So we'll see how that one fares.
He's probably the rubbish gas line. 10 minutes down the road, you'll give it all back to Heidi.
Well, you know.
Mike likes that.
Freaky things you find in the desert. Not sure what this qualifies as, but it is a freaky thing you find in the desert.
Oh, and it's not a caterpillar.
It's not a caterpillar. Definitely not. It's just freaky. So there's the road we crossed under not too long ago. Definitely doing a bit of climbing here.
And it's hot.
Yeah, and it's hot. So we've reached 4,000 foot.
I thought still.
Another 2,000 to go. Obviously not today, but
No shade.
no shade. Very, very, very little shade on this long climb. And my hands are shaking like mad again. We've been down to Kitchen Creek to fill up with water because we realised that we weren't going to make it to Long Canyon today.
No.
It's another 7 miles from here.
Yeah. The heat's killing us.
It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, not going to happen today. So we're hoping to make it to Fred Canyon, which is much closer. And we remember it being nice and shady, so hopefully that'll be us. But yeah, so far it's just a hill. This is the sound of 3 liters of water I just schlepped up a bloody mountain again.
I just plan to take the rest of my gear.
Yeah.
So I have it easier day.
Yeah.
Mike. Got a train bike.
So this is Fred's Canyon. Last time we were here we had lunch and fell off a log.
Yeah. Well, I did.
This time we're just gonna camp. This leaves us with a 20-mile day tomorrow to get out of the camping exclusion zone, but honestly we'll face that problem when we come to it. So this will be our spot. Once I stop filming and help the man, we will have a tent.
Heidi's carrying the backpack tomorrow.
No.
Okay.
She is, she's carrying that one. That one will have to move itself.